Hello my gems, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Asia Mullins, and today I'm going to be showing you guys I know it's the end of the month, but I just wanted to take part in the Pride and just show my support. So I decided to do a Pride look, and it's like very simple. It reminds me of Fruit Loops in a way. Please don't come for me for that. I don't know why when I was doing this look I thought of Fruit Loops, and I think I'm gonna go downstairs and make me a bowl of Fruit Loops because this look just made me think of it. But anyway, if you want to see how I did this look, continue to watch. Okay guys, so like I said in the beginning, I'm going to be using the James Charles palette, and I figured I might as well just do like one side, the red, orange, yellow, like however much I could use. How many colors? It's 7, right? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. It's 6. Okay, so 3 on this side and 3 on this side. I don't know why I thought it was 6, well 7, but yeah, easy mistake. So I'm going to start out with, it's so hot today. I'm going to start out with this red. I forgot the names of the colors in the sheet, in the palette. I really do wish that it had a mirror up here. I know the smaller one does. It has the mirror, but this one doesn't have it. So I'm going to start with just putting the red right here in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm sorry guys, as always, I'm so sorry about the noise outside. I live in the city, and that's my next door's neighbor's son, yellow like that, if you could hear him. Wow, that looks so red. Red like my shirt and my bra. Oh yeah, and you guys, I am going to be moving soon into the woods of New Jersey, basically. Like, it really feels like I'm moving into the woods. This area of New Jersey is like, wow. It's just, let's just keep it like that. It's just wow. But, I don't know. Like, I don't know if I'm actually ready to move outside of the city, but it is time for a change. Like, this place has been driving me like crazy between the parking, the inconsiderate neighbors and all that stuff. Just over parking. It's a lot. It's really a lot, but it's like, okay, if you could make a change, then why not just change your surroundings? And then they have better schools up there for my son. For those of you that are new, I have a 5-year-old son who's going to be 6 in November. Ugh, time flies so fast. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this move, but I'm still scared because, to be honest, I've always been around family and I don't have any family up there. I know most of you guys are probably like, then why are you moving, and you should just stay right there and blah 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 blah. It's like, just try something new. I mean, the city will always be right here. The city isn't going to get up and move. That would be amazing to see, but it's not. It's always going to be right here. My parents, they're not going anywhere yet. Okay, so I took the orange and now I'm dipping into the yellow. I think that one's called B. But yeah, my parents, they're not going anywhere anytime soon. Like, my mom, she's always talking about she wants to move, but she's not sure where yet. Like, all of her kids are grown. And it's like, she doesn't have to look in the school system. Her job is here. So it's like, it's kind of a funny joke that I believe she said. Like, her job finally came here. Before, she used to have to travel 45 minutes to her job. Now that her job is in the same city, and it's like she only has to travel like what, probably like, depending on what port of transportation she takes, it only takes her like 10 to 20 minutes, and it also depends on the traffic to get to her job. Whereas she used to have to take like 45 minutes to an hour to get to her job. So yeah, I kind of want this yellow to pop up more. Like the red and the orange is popping up, but not the yellow. So I'm just gonna keep like swiping that on. And I'm also gonna do circles to actually get it like to show itself more. And then for this, I'm going to like wing it out. So when I cut my crease, I'm going to line it up underneath. Let me bring you guys in more. I don't know why I always make this mistake. Hey, come on, zoom in. Hey, Tigger. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so yeah. That yellow, it actually does, it just blended in with the orange, so that's less work for me to do. But I think I'm going to pick up the orange more and just make it pop a little bit more, because it does look like it just went from red to yellow. But back to what I was saying, like the moving, I feel like I need something new, because if I stay here, I'm staying in my comfort zone, and I feel like I would never grow. And that's something that's been like hit just sitting on my brain for a while. Like the comfort zone is like your, I don't want to say it's like death, because you're just sitting there, you're being still. You're just being still, you're not moving, you're not really doing anything. You're just there. And it's like, there's a whole world out there for you to experience, for you to just explore. So why not take that time and just like try something new? Like I'm just going to be moving like an hour and 30 minutes away from my mom and my dad. That's not that bad. Like on the weekends I can still come visit. I can still get this amazing pizza that I love. Cause I'm sorry, all the pizzas that I had in every other place that I visited does not even compare to this place. And the place I'm talking about is called Crispy Pizza. I love me some crispy pizza. My boyfriend loved him some crispy pizza. I put him more to that. Sorry about the noise. So, I did this eye, the red, orange, and yellow. If you happen to go down a little bit more, don't worry. The only thing you're going to have to do is cut your crease. And the bottom part is going to be, you just cut the crease with the concealer and then you're good. Now for me with this look, since I did the red, orange, yellow on this side, I wanted to do a liner where it's green, blue, and purple. So I'm going to finish this eye off the camera, and then I'm going to come back with this eye done, and then it's just going to be like reciprocated. I can't talk. If you know me, you know that I have struggle in talking sometimes. But I'm going to reciprocate the look. So this side is going to be green, blue, and purple. And then the bottom is going to be red, orange, and yellow. So I'll be right back. I'm only doing this because I want to keep the video short. So I'll be right back. Enough rambling. I'll see you in a little bit. Hey guys, so this is a finished look, and I wanted to contribute a part in the LGBTQA community, like just doing a simple, beautiful pride look, just to show my support to the community, because I have several loved ones that are LGBTQA, and it's like I just want to show my love to you guys. Like for those of the people that are part of it, that I actually know, I love you guys, and I'm so glad that you are here, and I wish you all nothing but happiness, and like just happiness. Everybody needs happiness, like just happiness and love. I just wish you all the best, all like everything. I just want you to enjoy happiness and enjoy life as you are. So without further ado guys, thank you for watching, and before we go, can you please hit that like button? Subscribe to my channel, because I'm trying to grow this thing, because I enjoy doing this. Like this is a hobby for me and I enjoy it, and I'm still going to go to school and everything. I'm going to do this as a side gig and everything. Like if I could just I want to be a psychologist, and I want to help people. And I feel like this platform, as it grows, I feel like I can help people that I can't see physically. If I could just talk to you through this, I feel like I'm doing my part. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with another pride look. Bye, guys.